Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na ta with evidence. Ako, grabe. Grabe si attorney, si attorney, tawag dito, si attorney Venluan. Talagang harap-harapan na sinupalpal ang mga kongresista. Hala ka. Kasi sa isang question ni attorney Venluan, sinabi niya ligutan, tinutulan ang side remark ni Venluan. Ito ang sinabi ni attorney Venluan. So you just admitted that the congressmen are all corrupt? Grabe, face to face talaga itong pinasabog sa mukha ng mga kongresistang nandoon, mga kabibig. Agad tinutulan ni House Prosecutor Attorney Amando Ligutan ang binitawang side remark ni Defense Counsel Attorney Mark Venluan sa sagot ng testigo na si NBI BARM Regional Director Attorney Jeremy Lotok tungkol sa mga kongresista. Matapos kumpirmahin ni Lotok ang mga pahayag ni VP Sara sa ipinakitang video, nagbitiw si Venluan ng side remark na, so you just admitted that the congressmen are all corrupt? Tinawag ni Ligutan na ang pahayag ni Venluan ay foul side remark. Iba si Venluan, mga kabibig. Talagang banat kung banat. Ikaw na ang bahala, mga kongresista, kung nasaktan ka, kung na-offend ka, pasensya na. Kasi gusto lang talagang i-sure ni Venluan kung ano ang pinopoint out ni VP Sara sa video, mga kabibig. At talagang napaamin si Lotok, mga kabibig. Talagang harap-harapang sinampal, no? Harap-harapang sinampal sina Jinky Luistro, mga kabibig, sina Terry Ridon, sina Leila de Lima at iba pang mga House Prosecution Panel, ang mga kongresista nandoon. At talagang, so inamin mo lahat ng congressman ay corrupt? So ito, kabibig, ito yung video na kung saan, nako po, ewan ko ba kung paano ito. Nako, parang ang sakit-sakit naman sa katotohanan. Let's watch this video.
Relating to various acts of corruption are true and happened in real life.
As to the existence of that utterances, yes, sir.
All right, so you just admitted that the congressmen are all corrupt.
As to the
Thank you for that.
existence
Thank you
of
for that
utterances,
direction.
yes, sir.
That is a foul side
Withdraw.
remark.
She said
The
I wasn't
counsel
the
is
one.
And then he said yes. So, alam mo ma'am, yan ang lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kabayan lang nung mayor pa ako. Ang laban, wala dyan sa EDSA ma'am. Wala dyan sa mga highway. Ang laban ma'am nandun sa loob ng palasyo. Yan ang problema. We appreciate yung expression ninyo ng disgust, ng pagkamuhi, ng hopelessness, kasi it reflects kung ano yung nararamdaman ng marami, milyon. Alam ko yan, ma'am, kasi kahit saan ako pumunta, ako ang sinasabihan, binoto namin yan dahil sinabi mo, iboto namin. So, yes, ma'am. Maraming salamat sa ginagawa ninyo. Dahil sa ginagawa ninyo, I'm sure nakikita yan ang taong bayan. Ina-appreciate nila yan. Marami sa ating mga kababayan ang gusto sumali sa inyo. Pero sa sobrang hirap ng buhay ngayon, hindi nila maiwanan yung mga trabaho nila at hanap buhay nila para pumunta sa daan. Bakit sila naghihirap? Bakit? Dahil sa gobyerno. Di ba dapat yung gobyerno natin na nagpapagaan ng buhay ng tao? Bakit ang gobyerno natin ang nagpapahirap lalo sa tao? Kasi gusto ba nila lagi na lang mahirap ang mga tao? para madali mapasunod. May mga lugar kami sa Mindanao na ganyan ang mga politiko. Gusto nila, mahirap lahat. E bahugan lang nila ang kwarta. Governor na sila, mayor na sila, congressman na sila. Hanapin niyo, ma'am, yung mga lugar na sobrang hirap sa Mindanao. Tingnan nyo anong gawain ng politiko. Pinapakain lang ng pera ang tao. Pinabastos yung kanilang pagkatao dahil wala silang pakialam.
Attorney Lotok, she said a lot of statements in that portion of
Yes,
the
sir.
video. In fact, that statement included the statement which you investigated, correct?
Included in the transcription, sir. Yeah.
All right. Now you get the point. My question to you is this. Can you confirm now that the statement she made about BBM, FL, and the former speaker and the congressman relating to various acts of corruption are true and happened in real life?
As to the existence of that utterances, yes, sir.
All right. So you just admitted that the congressmen are all corrupt.
As to the
Thank you for that.
existence
Thank you
of
for that
utterances,
direction.
yes.
That is a foul side remark.
She said
The
I wasn't
counsel
the
is
one who said it,
twisting
Your Honor.
the answer of the witness. If
the
I may,
witness
can I
was the one who
finish?
said yes.
Counsel
Can I
for the
finish?
parties, kindly settle down.
Can I finish?
The witness said that he confirmed as to the fact that the utterances were made.
That's why, Your Honor, I objected.
Kindly be more specific. Attorney Lotok, you know what's being asked for.
Yes, sir.
Finish and complete your answer to avoid the misunderstanding.
Well, based on our investigation, as to the existence of that utterances, yeah, dahil may mga pieces of evidence kami. But whether or not nangyari yan, wala ho akong personal knowledge, sir.
All right. In the same way, you also do not have personal knowledge that VP Sara contracted an assassin, correct?
Your Honor, the video dated November 26, 2024, the Vice President reiterated.
It's
and in
answerable by
fact,
yes or
there
no, Your
was-
Honor. How can he be?
He is answering.
How can he be?
Counsels, kindly settle down. This is not a college debate. Attorney Lotok, the question was simple. Kindly answer the question directly.
Yes, sir.
You
That
do not
it-
have personal knowledge.
That utterances made by the Vice President that she contracted a person, I do believe that, sir, because of the pieces of evidence that we've gathered, sir.
No, I'm not asking whether or not she said those statements. I'm asking if you have personal knowledge based on this that the Vice President really contracted an assassin
Ask and
or
answer.
a person.
Objection. Ask and answered.
Second
Second.
answer.
Based on our investigation, Your Honor, we do believe that the Vice
Attorney
President.
Lotok, the question was, do you have personal knowledge?
Yun na. Wala palang personal knowledge. Walang personal. At tingnan nyo naman ang pagmumukha na Jinky. You just admitted that all congressmen are corrupt. Yung congressman yung pinagbiyak ng anak. Grabe talaga, Kabibig, no?
Maraming salamat.
Ito po, Kabibig. Oh, ito pa.
That in
Attorney
November
Lotok, you're a
26.
smart
Yes, sir.
man. Just answer the question. Do you have personal knowledge? You said that as to the other parts, you do not have personal knowledge. But now, my question to you is as to the part whether VP Sara talked to that person about
Tama.
BBM and FL and the speaker, do you have personal knowledge or not?
Pwede ko bang explain, Your Honor?
No,
please?
just answer the question, yes or no.
Your Honor,
Attorney Lotok, this is not the first time you attended a trial. I'm sure counsel for the prosecutors and redirect will be able to clarify whatever you want to clarify. But in the meantime, answer the question of counsel for the respondent.
Yeah. We do believe that the Vice President had contracted, but I don't have personal knowledge. Kung personal knowledge ang gusto niyong malaman. Pero we do believe based on the evidence that we've gathered and based on our investigation.
Wala palang personal knowledge. O, di ba, Kabibig? O, paano na yan? Talo na naman sila. O, ito ang komento ng mga tao. Who does he mean we? Bounce back yes or no, beliefs are not accepted as evidence. Kamag-anak, wala nga ni, puro evidence sila. Hindi ba ito mahawid sa ulo niya? What we do believe, it's not an evidence. Oo, pero hindi. O, yan mga komento ng ating mga netizen, mga kabibig. Ay nako mga kabibig, para yatang naguguluhan na ang mga tao sa mga statement nila. 'Di ba? Oh, wala ngang ebidensya, tapos paano? Ay, ewan ko sa inyo. Ay nako mga kabibig. Ito pa si si Alan si Sherwin Gatchalian. Pakinggan natin si Ginoong Sherwin Gatchalian, ang Senate President. Ito.
The Senate President is recognized. Yes, 2 minutes as well.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. On the same topic on inciting to sedition, Attorney Lotok, meron ba kayong nakausap na mga tao na naniwala doon sa sinasabi ni Vice President Sara on inciting to sedition? Nakita ko kasi doon sa grave threats, marami kayo in the interview. Pero in this particular case, meron ba kayong at least man lang nakausap ng mga tao, inimbestiga further kung talagang merong epekto yung kanyang mga sinabi?
So far as the Cybercrime Division is concerned, Your Honor, hindi yung kami nakapag-focus dyan. Siguro ang pwede yung makasagot niyan, Your Honor, yung intelligence service po namin dyan sa issue po na yan. Hindi yung kami nakapag-focus dyan to conduct investigation on
Isa
people's
para sa akin
comments.
kasi sa kabilang banda, pwede ka magsalita, pero sa kabilang banda may naniniwala ba sa'yo? So ang gusto kong malaman kung meron kayong nakausap ng mga grupo o mga anyone o naimbestigahan yun, naniniwala talaga doon sa kanyang pinagsasabi.
I think ang makakasagot po niyan yung the intelligence service, yung director po namin, sir.
Okay.
Sa kanya po yung pool ng information ng
The Senate President is recognized. Yes, 2 minutes as well.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. On the same topic on inciting to sedition, Attorney Lotok, meron ba kayong nakausap na mga tao na naniwala doon sa
Pakinggan ulit natin
sinasabi
kabibig.
ni Vice President Sara on inciting to sedition? Nakita ko kasi doon sa grave threats, marami kayo in the interview. Pero in this particular case, meron ba kayong at least man lang nakausap ng mga tao, inimbestiga further kung talagang merong epekto yung kanyang mga sinabi?
So far as the Cybercrime Division is concerned, Your Honor, hindi yung kami nakapag-focus dyan. Siguro ang pwede yung makasagot niyan, Your Honor, yung intelligence service po namin dyan sa issue po na yan. Hindi ko kami nakapag-focus dyan to conduct investigation on
Isa
people's
para sa akin
comments.
kasi sa kabilang banda, pwede ka magsalita, pero sa kabilang
Tama.
banda may naniniwala ba sa'yo? So
Oo.
gusto kong malaman kung meron kayong nakausap ng mga grupo o mga anyone o naimbestigahan yun, naniniwala talaga doon sa kanyang pinagsasabi.
I think ang makakasagot po niyan yung
Wala, puro lang. I
intelligence
think,
service, yung director po namin, sir.
Okay.
Sa kanya po yung pool ng information ng
The Senate President is
Ala ka,
recognized.
puro na lang I think. Parang hindi siya makasagot. Oo, pag tanungin siya, puro sa director na lang. Bakit ka nag-witness dyan? Kung sana ang director na lang pinaupo dyan, kasi meron siyang alam. Ikaw, para saan ka na yung naging witness dyan, kabibig? Diba? Nag-gets nyo ang point ko? Puro na lang, hindi siya makasagot ng yes or no. Puro sabihin sa director, ba't ka nandyan? Ba't ka naging witness? Ito talagang prosecution na to. Ay, naku, yun lang kabibig ang atin ng Silibak-Libak for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Grabe, no? Ang mga congressman. Yun lang. Bye everyone. See you next time.